Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be studying about our next three string functions, which are length, char@, and substring. So moving on to the first string function for today, which is length. Length basically gives the number of characters present in the entered string or initialized string. So to understand this better, let's write a suitable program. As you can see on your screen, I have written the basic program which includes header files and declared the scanner class. Now we will write our program. So beginning with string A to declare a string A. Now let's accept some string from the user using the statement system.out.println enter a string. Now let's take the input from the user using the input statement used for strings in scanner class in.next line. To count the number of characters in the given statement, we have to write a statement like int ab is equal to a dot length semicolon. Now this ab will have the value stored of the number of characters present in this entered string. Now we will give our output as AB. Now let's check whether it has any syntax error. It is no syntax error. Now we will try to run this program. Now as you can see on your screen, it is asking us to enter a string. We will enter a string like QWERT. The system will give us output as 5. The length string function is an exception to the counting method used in Java programming. It is not an exception, but we can say it is for our use only, because as you know, in Java we start counting with 0, but in case of string function length, the system starts counting with the number 1. So QWERT has 5 letters in it, hence the system gives us output as 5 and not 4, as it is not starting from the number 0. Moving on to the next string function for today, which is char@. Char@ basically points out the letter or the character present in the string at the given position. So if I enter a string or initialize a string earlier, something like India, and I want to know the letter present in the third position of the string, the system points out using the string function char@ that the third letter is I. It starts the counting from 0. To understand this better, let's write a small program. As you can see on your screen, I have written the basic program which contains header files, some empty system.out.println statement, and obviously declared the scanner class. Let's begin our program by declaring a string s semicolon. Now let's ask the user to enter a string for us. Let's accept that string using the statement s is equal to in.next line semicolon. Now we will return the string which is present on the third position entered by the user. So let's write character C is equal to s dot char@, and the position of the letter which we want, in this case we will write 3. Now we will give our output as C. Let's compile this. It is no syntax error. Now as you can see on your screen, it is asking us to enter a string. Let's enter a string as Brazil. So it is giving us output as Z, because B is on the position 0th, R is on the position 1st, A is on the position 2nd, and Z is on the position 3rd, and we have asked the system to give us output as the third letter or character present in the accepted string. Moving on to the last string function for today, which is substring. Substring basically removes the certain selected part from the accepted string and gives it as output if necessary. So basically it selects the position which we give, it removes that from the given string and displays it out. To understand this better, let's write a program. String A semicolon will ask the user to enter a string. Now we will accept the string using the input statement used for scanner class in Java programming, using the in.next line semicolon. Now we will remove this part which we want from the string accepted. Let's assume that part lies between the position 0th and 5th. So let's write as string B is equal to A dot substring and the position which we want, which is 0 to 5 semicolon. If we write just a single digit, something like 5, the system will automatically give us the output of the number or the letters present in the string from the 5th position. But we are giving a specific limits, the starting limit and the end limit. The system will give us output from the 0th to 5th position only and give our output as B. Let's compile this. It is no syntax error. Now we will try to run this program. Let's write a statement like character is in uppercase. It is a long sentence, so it will obviously have more than 5 tokens. So as you can see on your screen, the system has given us output as Kara. Kara basically has only 5 characters in it and starting from 0 ending till 4th, because it has not included the 5th one, because 5th was the last limit. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you.